So I'm just going to finish. You can see we just have a dollar store wired wreath underneath here. And I've got a 3-inch wide ribbon that I just wired burlap that I just wrapped around it. And I'm just going to seal it with a strong adhesive dot. So I'm going to just put that aside, take my Bowdabra Bow Wire, and I'm going to cut a piece long enough that I can tie this around the wreath. So let's take this here, lay this down into my Bowdabra, tuck the ends underneath, put my wire aside, and now what I'm going to do is just take my stems, and actually I'm going to lay this over a little bit more. Lay my stems down into my Bowdabra. And what's great about the Bowdabra is you have springs underneath here. So it holds the stems, it holds real flowers. So it's great for making any kind of floral arrangement, just using the Bowdabra. Then I'll take our berries, lay this down in here. This one, lay it down in here. And then I'll take my roses, lay those down. So you can see how simple this is to make. And lay this rose going this way. And then I have my foliage that will just lay these leaves down in here. Twist that leaf around. And lay these down in here. And I'm going to just bring my rose up in there. Then I'm going to take my tail of my burlap, and this is a wired burlap ribbon. It's a really nice burlap. And then I'm going to just do a twist. Now I want to make sure that the wrong side of my ribbon is on the inside of my loop. So we're just going to twist it and fold and twist, and all I'm doing here is I'm coming over here and I'm making a 180-degree twist. I'm going to fold it back over, twist, and we're just going to keep going. So now I have another, so we're going to make 3 loops on each side and then a little button loop and twist it. And now I'm going to make a smaller loop, which is about half the size, and that will be my button loop. And for those of you not familiar with Bowdabra, please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Also check out Bowdabra.com, where we have over a couple thousand tutorials on how to use the Bowdabra. So you'll have hours and hours and hours of entertainment on using your Bowdabra. So I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, tie a knot, and double knot it. And let's bring our mix down here. And I'm going to shape. Now this is a wonderful wired burlap, so which I love because it makes it very easy to shape. And bring this down over here. And now I'll take my wreath and I'm just going to tie this around here. Tie it tight while it's here. And I'll just do a bow tie. That's what I love about the wire, is it's so easy on your hands and easy to use. And now you have this absolutely beautiful and simple to make fall wreath. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.